The irrigation engineering may be defined as. Answer is all of the above. A. The process of artificially supplying water to soil for raising crops. B. A science of planning and designing an efficient and economic irrigation system. C. The engineering of controlling and harnessing the various natural sources of water by the construction of dam, canals, and finally distributing the water to the agricultural fields. Answer is all of the above. Second, the irrigation is necessary in an area. Answer is all of the above. A. Where there is scanty rainfall. B. Where there is non-uniform. Where commercial crops require more water. Third one. The irrigation water is said to be unsatisfactory if it contains. Answer is all of the above. A. Chemical toxic to plant or the person using plants as a food. B. Chemical which react with the soil to produce unsatisfactory moisture characteristics. C. Bacteria injurious to person or animal eating plant irrigated with water. Answer is D. All of the above. 4. Sandy soil with good drainage become impermeable after prolonged use if it is irrigated with a water containing dash dash sodium. Answer is 85%. 5. For irrigation purpose, the pH value of water should be. Answer is B. Between 6 and 8.5. 6. Which of the salt present in water is harmful for cultivation purpose? Answer is D. None of the above. 7. When an oven-dried sample of soil is kept open in atmosphere, it absorbs some amount of water is known as. Answer is C. Hydroscopic water. 8. A part of water which exists in the porous space of the soil by molecular attraction is known as. Answer is A. Capillary water. 9. A part of water which will move out of the soil if proper drainage is provided is known as gravitational water. Answer is A. True. 10. Surplus water is also called as. Answer B. Gravitational water. 11. Irrigation is supplementary to rainfall. Answer is A. Agree. 12. Irrigation dash dash the chances of waterlogging. Chances of waterlogging. Answer is A. Increases. 13. Irrigation is said to be the science of survival. Answer is A. Correct. 14. A useful soil moisture for plant growth is. Answer is A. Capillary water. 15. The amount of water required to fill up the pore spaces in soil particle by replacing all air held in pore spaces is known as. Answer is B. Saturation capacity. 16. The moisture content of the soil after free drainage has removed most of the gravity water is known as. Answer is A. field capacity. Next is the water content at which plant can no longer extract sufficient water from the soil for its growth is called as, answer is C, permanent wilting point. 18. Available moisture may be defined as, answer is B, difference in water content of soil between field capacity and permanent wilting. 19. The field capacity of a soil depends upon, answer is both A and B. A. Capillary tension in soil and B. Porosity of soil. Next is capillary water is a useful soil moisture for the growth of the plant. Answer is A. S. 21. Consumptive use of water by a crop is equal to, answer is C, the depth of water consumed by evaporation and transpiration during crop growth, including water consumed by accompanying weed growth. 22. The consumptive use of water of a crop, answer is all of the above. A is measured as the volume of water per unit area, is measured as the depth of water on irrigated area, may be supplied partly by precipitation and partly by irrigation. 23. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is C. The capillary water is utilized by plant. 24. The ratio between the area of crop irrigated and the quantity of water required during its entire period of the growth is known as, answer is B, duty. 25. The total depth of the water required by the crop during the entire period of the crop is in the field is known as, answer is A, delta. 26. The duty is largest, answer is C, on the field. 27. The time in bracket in days the crop takes from the instant of its sowing to that of its harvest is known as dash dash period. Answer is B, crop period. 28. The whole period of cultivation from the time when irrigation water is first supplied for preparation of the ground to its last watering before harvesting is called as, answer is A, base period. 29. The duty of irrigation water grows on dash dash as the water flows. Answer is A, increasing. 30. Crop ratio is the ratio of area irrigated. Answer is B, in Kharif season to Rabi season. 31. The duty of irrigation water will be less if, answer is C, water supply required is more. 32. The relation between duty is in hectare per cubic, delta in meter and base period B in days is, answer is A, delta is equal to 8.64 B divided by D. 33. The area in which crop is grown at a particular time or crop season is called as a culturable command area. Answer is B. 34. The first watering before sowing the crop is known as. Answer is B. Pilu. 35. The first watering when the crop has grown a few centimeters is called as paleo. Answer is B. Disagree. 36. The crop requires maximum watering during. Answer is C. The first watering when the crop has grown a few centimeters. 37. The maximum depth in soil strata in which crop spread its root system and derives water from the soil is called as a root zone depth. Answer is B. 38. The depth of the water zone is 90 centimeter for. Answer is C. Rice. 39. The duty at outlet is called as a capacity factor. Answer is incorrect. 40. The duty of crop is 432 hectares per cubic when the base period of the crop is 100 days. The delta for the crop will be. By solving this equation, answer is B. 200. 41. The average delta of rice crop is nearly 120 centimeter. 42. The average duty for sugarcane in hectares per cubic is. Answer is D. 800. 43. The optimum depth of core watering is 19 centimeter for. Answer is C. Rice. 44. Outlet discharge for a particular crop is given by. Answer is A. Area divided by outlet factor. 45. The optimum depth of core watering for wheat in the plain of North India is. Answer is A. 13.5 centimeter. 46. The core depth for rice is 19 centimeter and core period is 14 days. The outlet factor for the crop in hectares per cubic will be. Answer is 637. 47. Where steep land is available, the method of irrigation adopted is. Answer is A. Free flooding. 48. For closed growing crops such as wheat, the method of irrigation is used. Answer is B. Border flooding. 49. Check flooding method of irrigation is used for. Answer is C. Crop which can stand undulation in water for some times. 50. The potato, sugarcane and groundnut. The furrow method of irrigation is adopted. Answer is A. S. 51. The flooding is also termed as a wild flooding. Answer is A. Right. 52. Which of the following statement is correct? 52. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is D, all of the above. A. In pre-flooding, the field is divided into a number of small sizes plots which are practically level. B. In border strip method, the strips are separated by low levels. C. In furrow irrigation, the water is admitted between the rows of plant in the field. Answer is D, all of the above. 53. Sprinkler irrigation is adopted for dot areas. Answer is B, uneven area. 54. The method of irrigation used for orchards is. Answer is D, basin flooding. 55. The hydrology is a science which deals with. Answer is D, all of the above. A. Occurrence of water on the earth. B. Distribution of water on the earth. C. Movement of the water on the earth. 56. The knowledge of hydrology is necessary in civil engineering for. Answer is D, all of the above. A. Designing and construction of irrigation structure. B. Designing and construction of bridge and culvert. C. Flood control works. 57. The hydrology help in. Answer is all of the above. A. Predicting maximum discharge. B. Deciding capacity of reservoir. C. Forecasting flood. 58. The science which deals with the physical features and condition of water on the earth's surface is called as. Answer is B, hydrography.